get ready with me while we talk about the final product of my eco journal. So, at the start of my eco journal journey, sinabi ko doon na I am 14 and na meron akong band and mahilig ako mag-crochet and mag-guitar. Well, a lot has changed ever since then. Since that was almost 10 months ago pa, diba? So, let's talk about what has changed doon sa introduction ko muna. So, if you may not know, I am Bernice. I am now 15. I don't play the guitar that much anymore and I have quit my band. Siguro due to hindi kaya ng schedule ko kasi talagang ang dami kong ginagawa this school year. Talagang nagulat din ako. I don't know why, ang dami kong sinalihan. And I still crochet sometimes, pero not all the time na. And ayun. So, let's start na doon sa mga process. So, simula tayo sa aking larangan sa personal na aking eco journal. So, as far as I remember, ang nakalagay sa larangan ko na yon is to learn the bass guitar since nasa band pa ako noon and I was really, really into my band. Parang super, super focused ko noon that halos legit na buong eco journal ko is about my band. Written in that part of my eco journal is I wanted to learn the bass because gusto ko po maging bass guitarist ng aming banda na Band Aid na part ako since grade 8 kasi we won as champions nung sa aming Battle of the Bands, but sadly nung second quarter I didn't write that much about my personal, only that hindi po ako naka-aral since I was really, really busy kasi marami akong sinalihan, as in, ang rami talaga. Even came to the point na super, super busy ako na hindi ako masyadong nakagawa ng mga school projects ko and I was like failing almost half of my classes na bumababa ang grades ko, which was really not fun. So, pagdating ng intrams, which was third grading, talagang nag-quit na ako ng band na yon. And in my third grading eco journal, sadly hindi ako nakapagpasa. Pero what I wanted to write was, ang larangan ko is maayos ang mental health ko because third grading me was really not it. Like, sobrang hindi maayos ang mental health ko po noon. So, I wanted to fix it. It came to the point na marami akong iniiyakan halos and talagang hindi ako makapag-focus sa studies ko because of my mental health. So, ayun ang layunin ko nung fourth grading na aayusin ko ang mental health ko. So, maayos na rin ang ACADS ko and social life ko. Oh, fuck. Ang ganda ng ating kilay. So, ngayong fourth grading, I am almost at the point of achieving my personal na layunin, which was to get a better mental health because I feel like I'm getting better and umaayos na nga po ang mental health ko, which is really, really good and I'm really happy. Sadly, for the first grading na layunin ko, hindi ko na-achieve yung makuha ang pag-aaral ng base because we didn't have a base. Wala akong pera para gawin yun. Ngayon, sa aking layunin sa financial, as far as I can remember, ang nakasulat sa layunin ko sa financial is nakapag-ipon kami ng band ko na makabili ng bass para pa nga lumaban kami sa Battle of the Bands, may bass na kami. So, ayun nga ang nilagay ko. Gusto ko makaipon kami na at least 4K because the price of the bass was $399. No, I said pa noon at least 5K para makapagpili na rin kami nung bili naming kahon or drums. But nakapag-ipon, pero yung pera is ginamit nila for studio. Hindi sila nakabili ng kahon nila kasi they used it to rent a studio and rent mga musical instruments. Pero it was good for them. At least they benefit something from the money na pinag-ipunan namin. And sadly, hindi ako natanggap sa band ng third grading, pero it was okay kasi I know I couldn't do it na rin because of my very, very full na schedule. Kung pag-uusapan naman natin sa susunod na mga layunin ko, since hindi ko nga ho natupad ang layunin ko noon, gusto ko sanang makapag-ipon para sa aking project sa values. Good thing, nakapag-ipon naman po ako, and kalalabasan sa 4th grading is nakapag-ipon ako at least 600 pesos, which I used to buy glasses, which ngayon nga, meron na akong glasses. Nakakabili ko lang for my earned money. Pero hindi siya sakto sa price na kailangan ko. So, I had to talk to my mom na dagdagan yung pera ko, which pumayag naman siya. Good thing. So, ayun ang aking layunin sa pinansyal. Punta naman tayo sa layunin sa academics. Simple lang naman ang layunin ko nun sa academics. Ang Oplan top 10, which was a success first grading pa lang. Sobrang saya ko na nagawa ko yun, na-achieve ko yung gusto kong for once na-achieve ko yung gusto ko sa aking eco-journal. Tapos sa susunod naman na grading, mas lalong nag-achieve ako kasi sinulat ko nung gusto ko 85 lahat ang grades ko. Sadly, one subject was at 81 or 83 ata yun, which was really sad for me kasi ang tagal ko hindi nakakuha ng ganung na grade. Ngayon na lang ulit. Pero that didn't stop me kasi I still got on the top and much better. Yung dati ko pang gusto na top 5. So, yun nga. Second and first grading was a success sa aking layunin sa academics. But sadly, third grading really, really disappointed me. Because ng third grading, nalaman ko na I was for sure not on top. Hindi ko nakuha yung magandang grades na 85 pataas. Grades ko is really bumaba because talagang nag-worsen ang aking mental health and hindi ko naayos ang social and academical life ko. So, after grading, I told myself na I wouldn't stop. Dahil just one mistake won't hurt me and won't be the end of me. So, ngayong 4th grading, aayusin ko ang grades ko. I'll make sure na I'll get good grades and better one than the past grades na nakakuha ko noon. And now, I'm still in the process of getting that good grades and good honor, and sana na makuha ko ngayon. At ngayon, after all the ups and downs na naramdaman ko sa aking grade 9 high school life, I'd say it was good. Na everyone has their ups and downs, everyone has their problems and mga issue and uncertain events na gusto natin mangyari sa buhay. Pero it was good kasi we'll all learn a lesson from it. I've learned a lesson from it and I hope we all do learn important lesson for our next year. Padarating na next year na maging last year na natin sa high school. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed my Get Ready With Me for my Eco Journal. Thank you and goodbye.